Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers, and today we're just going to do a flip through of a book that a friend gave to me. Now, my friend Lisa from Lisa's Paper Lace and Bling, she sent me this as a birthday gift, and it was empty. It was just the book, and then she sent me a big envelope full of stuff to put in it. Then I also got some Halloween stuff from my friend Dawn, and then I also used a little bit of ephemera from one of my Victoria Designs kits that I had left over from when I did the Teeny Weeny Halloweeny book. So if you haven't seen that video, then you should go back and check the playlist and check it out. And because it just came out, This is October of 2021. So anyway, all I did was put the stuff in it. She made the book. So here we go. So here's our big orange Halloween ribbon. And this that I put on the front, you're not going to believe what this is. This is scraps of waxed bookbinding thread. And I'm always thinking, oh, I could use one of those in a cluster. I could use one in a cluster. Well, I ended up taking all of them and wrapping them together and wrapping them around and made them all into just a cluster by themselves. I don't know. Anyway, and my friend Dawn sent me this, and then Lisa sent me this. Now, I'm not going to tell you through the whole thing who sent me what. I just want to say, but I just thought I would mention because the cover, I really like the way that these two look together. So when you open up the cover, there's a pocket of bugs and some ephemera. These hang loose and they move when you move the page. And then here's a writing paper. Now, I left some writing space in here. I don't personally journal, but if I were to, I'm not going to give this to anyone, but I'm just saying if someone were to give me a completed journal and told me it was a journal and it didn't have any journaling space in it, then I would kind of wonder, So then I put this is a cupcake paper, and it's got little spiders and stuff on it. I don't know how well you can see it or not. And then I put a googly eye on it because I just thought it would belong there. It needed a googly eye. And this is a doily that I put on. And on this side is a little pocket with some small ephemera in it. This is this crazy picture of these witches that Lisa sent me. And I put some of the lace she sent me too from, it's not from her shop. This was all stuff from her stash. But she has some awesome lace and stuff in her shop, and you should check it out. This is not a commercial for Lisa's thing. She just happened to send it to me, all this stuff to me. And so anyway, I thought this picture was appropriately creepy, and whoops, and it needed some black lace around it. And there's just some ephemera on some brown paper. This is a booklet that I made. That's a little writing booklet and has some pictures in it. And it goes into a pocket. And this is some washi. This is from a 6x6. And this kind of creepy little witch girl was some ephemera that I cut out. And I don't remember if Lisa sent it to me or not. This is a little glassine bag. And it's got a little card inside, a little Halloween card inside. And Dawn sent me these. She sent them to me in 2 sizes, which you'll see pretty soon. So there's a couple writing pages. And then I put this, oops, there's an extra. Then I put this in as some trim, but then it also hangs out over the edges, just to kind of hang out over the edges. This little skinny page, I put a belly band on it. And a writing card. On this side, it says cape. She's wearing a cape. Anyway, there's 2 little pieces of ephemera glued together to make a pocket. And then there's a little piece of ephemera in the pocket, or the tuck. Excuse me, a tuck. But if you just look at it, it looks like a cluster. And then there's this Wicked Witch. And the same Wicked Witch. Oh, look at that. I didn't even realize. Anyway, there's the corner pocket. and 3 cards. And then a crazy page with a bunch of like old scary posters from movies. And then I put this paper on this side. These are just some stickers to kind of make it a little fun when you're doing your journaling. And this is my favorite page, and you'll recognize it because you'll actually see it twice. I found this image online and turned it into a file that I could use in my brother's Scan and Cut software, and then I sent it to my Scan and Cut and I cut it out. It's only the second one of these that I've ever done, not spider, but I made a doily, and I did this, and I'm so proud of myself for figuring out the software and sending it to my Scan and Cut. Here's another one of the little glassine bags, only this time I made it into a pocket. And then this is Victoria Design, and this is as well. I put the green ribbon on there. This is the center, and this says Wicked Witches, and then these are all different things that it could be a Wicked Witches item. And then over here, this crazy kid with the pumpkin head is saying all these Halloween things. Here's a big one of the glassine bags that she sent me, and I just made a big giant pocket out of it. And there's our spider again. And this says A Last Trick. Side tuck with a couple of large writing cards. Scary, creepy movie poster page. Here's some more writing. I did grunge this up quite a bit. It was white. And then this is a little bitty notebook that I made, and inside of it, it's got a little piece of ephemera. And over here, I made another bug pocket, and there's this creepy skull. My friend Dawn said it looked like the Elephant Man's skull in there. And then over here is some ephemera, and I made a little tuck spot out of it. Put some ephemera in there. And then with these ghosts, we've got, you know, the clean one, a little bit scruffier, and he's a dirty ghost. That didn't sound right, did it? Anyway, he's been out playing all night. Okay. So then here's some more writing space with the bats. Here's some more with the pumpkins. I thought these were cute. This is a mix of cute and kind of creepy. So it's, I don't know, Cupid. Oh, Cupid dolls are really creepy. I wish I hadn't even said that word. Now I got a picture of a Cupid doll stuck in my head. Here's another ribbon for my friend Dawn. And this is some ephemera. Here's some bats. And on the back we have some pumpkins. This one's a pocket with another little flip card that you can write inside of. And this says I treat tonight. And another witch with her music coming out. And then a writing page, and then the back of the book, and another bug pocket. It was a 6x6, and I made it into 3 pockets, and kind of scattered them throughout the book. And then this is a piece of coffee dyed paper that I made, but I also sprayed it with my gold alcohol ink that I made, and so it's kind of sparkly. You can't really see it on camera. And then there's 4 pieces of ephemera, and then here's the back of the book. So that's all there is to it. It's nothing fancy or anything like that, but my friend Lisa gave it to me, and I decorated it, and I had a blast doing it, and I just wanted to thank her, and I wanted to show her what I did with it, so I made the flip through, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too, and you have a happy Halloweeny, and I will see you in the next flip through or the next tutorial visit, the next tutorial video, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Bye-bye.